1/3.
All ahead, 1/3.
G'day, this is the captain speaking. Now that we're underway, I'd like to welcome you aboard. As the conditions of our voyage may be unpredictable, please remain seated at all times.
Dockside the bridge. Comment bridge.
This is the bridge. Go ahead.
Hello, Captain. Be advised that we've picked up a few surface squads in the outer regions.
10-4. We'll keep a watchful eye on our way out.
Here, do that. Everything else will spy from here. Have a great trip.
Thank you, Base. See you when we get back. Reach out. Stand by to dive.
Diving station.
Main induction closed. Pressure in the boat. Let's take it down. Flood the main ballast tanks. Dive. Dive. Trip out diving planes. 3 degrees.
3 degrees down.
Take it out easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms. Speed 06 at 1/2 knots.
06 at 1/2.
Steer 30 degrees.
Right rudder, 30 degrees.
All ahead full. Steady as she goes.
All ahead, full.
As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic fish. Right rudder, 20 degrees. Set course directly over the lost city.
Aye, aye, Captain. Lost City, dead ahead, sir.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
There's not much to see on the surface of the ocean, but here below lies a strange and mysterious world filled with diverse creatures and a complex topography of plains, trenches, mountains, and even volcanoes. In fact, our destination today is a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. These remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous volcanic event. Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir. Captain, we're approaching the reef.
Catch her at the seafloor and take her through easy. As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.
Radar 1, surface door ahead, sir.
No worries. We'll take it down fast and deep. All controls, 8 degrees down.
Down 80. and depth, sir.
Level of 180 fathoms.
Maximum fathoms.
Set course to 70 degrees true. Steady as she goes.
Aye, sir.
The fish world has always been considered a silent habitat. But now, thanks to remarkable advances in marine technology, we can use instruments such as our sonar hydrophones to actually hear the fish talk.
Where are you? Too deep for you to see. Come aboard, explorers. Let's go explore, explore, explore. Let's go explore the big blue world.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I'm sure we'll see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Oh, science is great. There's so much to know. I'm aboard explorers. It's time to...
Nemo, water rides and tasty waves? Sure, squirt. Where? EAC, dude. You'll be like, whoa, like, whoa. Let's go. Follow me to EAC.
Lost again. Nemo!
Captain, we're approaching the EAC.
Hold her steady. Take her into the car. Go ahead, Stanton.
Aye, aye.
Powerful flow of the East Australian current is like an undersea highway. Many creatures can be found commuting in this current, including the majestic sea turtle.
Welcome to the EAC, Mini Marlin.
This is fun! We're gonna hit the
Nemo! This is not funny, and I know funny. I'm a clownfish. Nemo!
Dude, check it out. Wow. It's a big sunken butt. Sweet.
Nemo! Where are you, Nemo?
Who's Nemo?
I am looking for my son.
I can help. Oh,
It's Nemo!
where?
I don't know where. That's why I'm trying to find
By who?
my son, Nemo. You know that.
I do.
We better make you Mexican.
Hello, morsels. There's nothing I like better than canned food. Oh, don't worry. I'm not going to eat you. At least not all at once.
No, Bruce. Remember the pledge.
Right then. I am a nice shark, not a mindless eating machine. People are friends, not food. Right then, mates. Easy does it. You will want one of these balloons.
Secure all stations. System checking.
Holding steady, sir.
Right. Let's resume speed.
All ahead, full.
Mr. Submarine, what are those twinkling things? I don't know. Race to there. Okay, go.
Dory?
Wait!
What?
I see pretty lights.
I see them too.
Reach for the light.
It's getting closer.
Closer.
That was me.
How do I know it's you? It could be anybody.
It's not anybody. It's me.
Do I know you?
Dory.
Talk about a small world. My name's Dory too.
Oh, what's that? It looks like...
Oh, me first. I'm thinking of something pink and bouncy that looks like a balloon.
Jellyfish!
Right. Okay, now I'm thinking of something pink, kind of balloony. Boing.
That's jellyfish!
You're good. Boing, boing. And I'm thinking...
Jellyfish! And the next one, jellyfish!
All right, Mr. Smarty Pants. Boing.
Stop playing games!
Come on.
No, don't really. I'd like to do a party. Let's go!
I love parties. I found a hot tub.
It's not about finding the hot tubs. I found you! I was so worried! We're alive! We survived an erupting volcano, Nemo! Nemo? Say something!
Can we do it again, Dad? Huh? Can we?
Oh, of course. When fish can fly.
Oh, I found Chico.
Nemo! It's Nemo! Yay! Nemo! Hey, Pearl! We saw a huge volcano go kaboom! Oh, you made me eat! Hey, Dad! You should have seen me surf the volcano!
Oh, give me some fed. Noggin.
Dude! Nemo! Check out all the whales! Semi-plankton? He says that whales only eat krill. Then why's that whale eating that yellow submarine, dude? Whoa! That's one hell of a whale!
Does that smell kind of realish to you?
Is it me?
That's funny. Sounded like, hold on tight. I'm gonna... Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Whoa! A big yellow whale! Wait, stop! Bye! Just keep swimming, swimming, swimming. What do we do? We swim, swim, swim. Bye!
Crikey.
Should I enter any of this into the log?
No, mate, forget it. Nobody'd believe it anyway. We better take her up before we have a run-in with a sea serpent or an encounter with a mermaid.
Aye, Captain.
We are surfacing and approaching our home port. We've enjoyed having you aboard on this adventurous voyage. Thanks for joining us and have a top day.
We're almost back to land, explorers. It looks like there's just a bit of submarine traffic ahead of us. So we're going to hang out here for a few more minutes. In the meantime, enjoy our nice underwater views.
Station and maneuvering watch. Rig ship for mooring.
Reducing speed and proceeding to berth 29 Stand by to dock.
All ahead 1/3. Stand by the mooring lines. Now folks, when the cabin lights come on, please stand and disembark to your right. Take small children by the hand and watch your step up the ladder. Please use the handrail. All ashore please. Check you later.